With rising water crisis, there has been an urgent need to utilize water even from the ocean bodies, and therefore IISc, that is Indian Institute for Science Bangalore, developed a unique system which is known as siphon powered desalination system. Now under the traditional system, what happened was the salt used to scale up, and it would reduce the efficiency, it would physically restrict the movement of the water and hamper the entire process. So the flow was had a limitation of 10 to 15 centimeters, and this was severely restricting the amount of water flow in the conventional system. However, under the IISc new system, what happens is there is a continuous flow of salt water into the system. There is a fabric wick which is grooved with aluminum, and it would flush out any kind of salt which is present in the water. It can work for a concentration of up to 20% of salt solution. So very high brine concentration can also be filtered using the siphon system desalinization process, and then water would form a small flat thin sheet on the surface, and it would help in rapid evaporation. Finally, from an ultra narrow 2 millimeters air gap would allow the water vapor to condense almost instantly, and this way this desalinization plant would work. So if you look onto the clean water output, this would be significantly higher as compared to the traditional water systems, and you can see the amount of liters per meter square per hour, which would be around 6 with the new system and which was less than 1 with the old system. And a typical RO works well with a maximum salt concentration of up to 5%. However, this IISc developed siphon system works up to 20% with up to 20% brine solution that could be present. Now this desalinization has been backed by India's Department for Science and Technology, and this can bring in rapid changes in the way water consumption is seen in the coastal areas specifically. So the simple design is ideal for applications which could be off-grid communities, for disaster relief, and even for coastal areas. It is more flexible, has a simple construction, low cost solution, can be easily deployed, and is more scalable, and this would ensure that this system reaches the farthest corner of India. So a very important breakthrough in science and technology. We'll be covering more such important topics for your upcoming examinations, so stay tuned for more updates from our side. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for joining.